Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Luxury travelers willing to pay more for authentic, sustainable, and local experiences. Lovely Multani Arun. Clear trip returns with the biggest summer travel extravaganza. #Nation on vacation. H-1B visa registrations begin. Check what's new for Indian travelers. Modi in Ahmedabad. PM to unveil railway projects worth 85,000 crore. 10 new Vande Bharat trains to be flagged off. Plan to invest 60,000 crore rupees in airport biz in next 10 years. Adani Ports MD. Industry must focus on enhancing value per tourist rather than number game. Amitabh Kant. Indian Airlines expected to report lower net loss of 3,000 rupees to 4,000 this fiscal report. Maharashtra plans tourism zone near upcoming Navi Mumbai airport. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.